WHR stock analysis and WHR stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Which just film me the video till the end, find out. Looking at Whirlpool, whatever the pronunciation is there. I actually adore this, but let's zoom out just so I don't think that I'm geeking, you know, like let's look at the broader picture. All right, yeah. Look, having done well over 42,000 videos myself over 5 years, I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. I get it, the price is pumping, but in the way here, there's a supply zone. I would absolutely love it, you know, if it starts keeps breaking above $94 or whatever. But yeah, like in the meantime, this is just a supply zone here. And just the likelihood that this thing just keeps melting is high. But like what I'm not going to do is randomly start selling. So if there is no sort of double break, I'm not going to be continuing with all this. So my bad. All I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm waiting. If you do want to learn how I make you 5-10K per month trading, then sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free mails, and I'll see you in the next one.